therefore babona ukuthi iGqomu must be disqualified. So uDumi Mkokstad want iGqomu to be disqualified. Nathi as Maskandi want hip hop to be disqualified. So ke manje into eyenzakalayo ukuthi uMaskandi busuvumile ukuthi ayikulungile iqhubeke hip hop idlala. So uDumi yena akangavuma ukuthi
cha ngifuna usikhulumele wena.
Okay. So ngichaza ukuthi kufika kanjani lesimo. So uDumi mayingena egroundini wathi uMaskandi akakwazi uDumi ungena egroundini ekubeni uMaskandi nawo unqatsheliwe ufaka idispute shuthi uDumi yena mayivunywa nabo kumele bengene egroundini. So ingakho ke kunenkinga njengamanje.
All right, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Mongeza ngapha nje mina Tira.
Kube namaphutha enzekile kuma registration ama players yabo. I-hip hop khona umdlali emregister late yamfaka yayiwin igame i-hip hop but uMaskandi uthi ena ulentuzana must be disqualified. Same thing ngala kwinakuzana kwiGqomu we had a female player esingayifakanga sethi manje sifuna ukuyifaka i-female player sekufanele ingene kwathiwa ayibhalanga phansi kwi-list so asikwazi ukuyifaka so ngalokho banqaba ukuthi siyifake sabashaya laba kodwa u2-1 so manje bane-dispute njengoba bene-dispute uMaskandi ne-dispute ne-hip hop ukuthi kushuthi thina even though sibashayile bathi bafuna sidisqualify so silapho-ke manje ukuthi bona bathi bafuna sidisqualify kodwa thina sibe siwinile nangu uKhuzani uthi bafethu is fine if kuthi kanjani is fine asiqhubeke i-hip hop iyodlala kwi-final uDumi ngala uyanqaba ukuthi ena thina siyiGqomu siqhubeke sodlala kwi-final for the sake of this fans here so njengamanje sikwi-deadlock ngoba nathi siyiGqomu siwinile sithi thina makuthi khona iphutha silenzile sifineni phela yabonga mina ngazi ukuthi kwenziwa njalo kweyeselene niyabizwa kube ne-discipline during the week hlale phansi kuthiwa okay wena ufeyile kanje so thina njengamanje sifile ukuthi it's unfair ukuthi thina asibe disqualified thina kodwa naye ne-hip hop la ilenzile iphutha nayo kodwa yona izokwazi ukudlala so kwenzekalani so kusho ukuthi uDumi mayengavumi ukuthi ama-game aqhubeke kusho ukuthi ama-game ayama.
Thank you very much, that is Tira Big Zulu of the hip hop leader and captain. Zulu, lithini lakhe side?
Mfowethu ngicabanga ukuthi iphuthe lenzakele njengoba uKhuzani eshilo and hayi ukuthi ama player lawo bengekho and naye uTira hayi ukuthi intombazane bengafuni ukuyifaka bengabhalwa ngaphansi enye into ekumele uyazi lento is just having fun akusiyinto eseyisekutheni mfowethu sekumele senze show ukuthi manje sithola wonke ama player amaningi senza umculo lento ukuheavy fun nje kwama artist uyayibo yonke le nto leyo umfowethu uDumi kahle uyu umuntu omise nje yonke lento leyo you understand ukuthi ayiqhubeki engadlali yena you understand kodwa ngokomthetho udliwe and enye into ekumele uyibheke it's not like uTira bengayifaka intombazane bethu uyayifaka phansi ngenxa yokuthi beyingabhalwa ngaphansi even size kuwe lapha yana ucoach uMaskandi bebembhala ukuthi udlala phakathi so that's why kube nenkinga nje zama list nani you understand kodwa kudlaliwe kwamnandi la win iGqomu ya win hip hop for abalandeli laba nayo yonke into mfowethu bekumele basiyeke siqhubeke sidlalele you understand akusiyinto it's not about imali it's just about having fun uwinile umalume uwinile hip hop the only thing ekumele yenzeke mfowethu ukuthi abafowethu behlisa umoya bawina last year noma sasinazi ikhalazo kodwa asikaze sifike to the point yokuthi sithi disqualify ubani kwenzakalani even uMaskandi nako kwakukhona ukukhuluma ukuthi abenzanga lokho but ngenxa ukuthi we know ukuthi lento heavy fun bonke labantu bazela ukuzo heavy fun la bezobuka ama artist edlala we understand so ibhlungu ukuthi uDumi sengafuna ukuthi kume yonke le tournament iphekwe abantu abangaka ukuthi athi yena ngeke iziyenzeke le nto leyo we understand and enye point engifuna ukuyiraise ukuthi uTira kafakanga intombazane the reason why engayifakanga it's because ibingabhaliwe not ngoba ebengafuni ukuyifaka ufunile ukuyifaka abangavuma ngoba beyingabhalwanga we understand le nto leyo so ukuthi mangabe intombazane bingabhalwanga akusho phela ukuthi sekumele uTira kuthiwa ukuthi sekumele uTira kuthiwa udliwe ngale nto leyo kumele kube ne-fine ukuthi kune-fine engaka uTira azoyithola because asikho professionally siyayidlala umdlalo nje lo mfowethu
That's Victor Hlongwane. They're signaling as to the fact that the game should have kicked off right now. You're not seeing a game simply because there is a dispute that's been raised by the 4 captains of all teams. So you're watching right now, anticipating to see a game. There isn't a game to be seen okwamanje. Dumi?
Ngiyabingelela kubona bonke ababukela emakhaya egameni lika Jesu. Udumi Mkoksadlo. So we are here sisukele Durban. We come here sizodlala sasusa abafana emakubo to come and play. And now when we got here, because thina as a gospel besinabadlali aba-11 aba eligible to play based on ama rules. Kunama rules. I-tournament inama rules achazayo ukuthi kumele kudlalwe kanjani. So one of the rules is the fact that kumele kudlale umuntu wesifazane because we're trying to accommodate abantu besifazane. IGqom, they decided not to follow that rule. 1. Number 2, Utira says he claims ukuthi uzamele ukufaka intombazane egamini. I-rule ithi intombazane kumele ingene for a minimum of 10 minutes. Minimum, the minimum isincane kumele intombazane idlale for 10 minutes. Bafaka intombazane ngo last 4 minutes. Mind you, they were already leading low game, which puts i-gospel at a disadvantage. Secondly, Utira ulethe ama-professional players awu-11. None of them, i-rule ithi ama-players must be ama-artist. Kumele kube ukuthi bayacula banama-album. Utira ulethe abafana aba-11 abadlala ibhola. Imawo angikuphazamisanga.
So yonke into imile nje.
Imawo abantu aba-11 or soccer players abengamele badlala. Utira bafakile, which puts us at a disadvantage. We scored the first goal, basikava intombazane ayidlalanga. They scored the second half. Intombazane still adlala. Thina we are at a disadvantage. Ama rules a tournament athi kumele ukudlala intombazane. I-committee yale cup le they ruled for i-gospel, but i-gospel kumele idlale. We are in a situation manje iGqom abafuna ukuphuma egroundini, and we are also saying we will not leave egroundini because based on the rules we should be playing.
Right, guys, I want to know, okay, Zulu, Tira, come through. Guys, I only want the 4 people involved here. We're live on air, guys. I can't do this and you can't be seen. So that decision must be taken here on the air. Big Zulu, we're live on air, so unfortunately I can't involve everybody else. The gentlemen here need to tell us, we want to show the game. We said we want to support this thing that you're doing. As the SABC and SABC Sport, we put resources and money behind this to show a game in the off-season. Are you guys then telling me, Ogoti, we have to play a movie like Chan-Li? Ngoba nina ni decide ukuthi anizodlala umdlalo akho reasoning enzofika kuyona.
Now we have taken a decision ukuthi ama team wonke adlala ashaya ama penalty. So that is over balance. Only 3 people from the team.
And then what then happens there? 3 teams take penalties. What? So ebedlale nenye ithathe, so because umaska
with hip hop. They are going penalties with people hip hop. They say so.
Is this something you guys are all agreeing on?
We're just trying, guys. Dumi udliwe cela usiphumela
Right, I don't want it to get like this and with you seeing this. So let's take an ad break. We'll talk when we come back. Take a quick break. Let's take a break.